from Journey Ed through educational transformations. I want to create a new product line addressing ELA standards for elementary using recently published picture books. I'm not clear on the copyright. Is it okay to use the title on the front cover? Yes, but so if you want to create materials using any kind of books, you need to know some basic, and I'm going to preface this. You all know that I'm not a lawyer. I'm not an attorney. I'm not an accountant either when you ask about taxes. Okay, so this is just the knowledge that I have. That's it. You can do your own research. But, okay, so when you are working with books and you want to check, first of all, copyright, you would not be able to use images with it, and this is saying without permission. You know, if you get permission from the author, illustrator, trademark holder, you're fine. So without permission, you cannot use images from the book, like a book cover or an image that is in the book. Okay. You can also, you cannot just copy the entire text. I know that there's some gray area about how much text you can copy, and some people say there's a 10% rule, and some people say that's hogwash. I don't do ELA resources. I do math. So you take that chance. Only a court is going to be able to decide if, you know, it's infringement. Now, you can receive a cease and desist, or you can receive a lawsuit, but it's a gray area how much text you would be able to use. Now, as far as trademarks go, you would need to see if anything about that book is trademarked. For example, Dr. Seuss. We like to talk about Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss Enterprises has trademarks out the wazoo. I mean, there are tons of trademarks. You need, you know, and I know you're not referring to Dr. Seuss because I know you've been around long enough to know that you can't use Dr. Seuss. So you need to look for any trademarks that might be there for the book. Otherwise, you can use it. Yeah, it's okay to create novel studies. It's the same thing with movies. Okay, you can't use their images. You can't just quote the script left and right. But, you know, as long as things aren't trademarked, you're good. So trademarkia.com. I always start there. It's a little easier to use. The official site is uspto.gov. Those are some sites when you are looking for trademarks. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out, Yvonne.